go, y'all. Freedom and democracy aloft in the air. I keep moving over and it keeps doing so too.
Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. Oh, is it going to go in and land? Oh, I don't know. I'm too short to see over the gazebo.
I also think it just landed.
I mean, I saw those talons go out and everything, so.
I may have caught it on camera. I lost this other one.
One of the crows is coming in. Oh! You're good. You want back up? Be careful. That's what I was afraid of. Oh, I just not being able to get my hair off my neck. It's really frustrating.
I don't know if you guys will have heard that. The eagle cry along with the crows cry in there. I'm trying to keep it in focus here, y'all. It's America's bird right there. Bald eagle.
All of the birds cry out today. They're so pretty. I knew we had falcons around here after that one I saw on our back fence. Oh yeah, I've seen falcons before. They're gorgeous.
Thank you.
I saw the one on the back fence, so I looked it up. Falcons are in Virginia.
Peregrines.
Yeah. Which is the one I saw on the back fence. I'm pretty used to recognizing falcons at this point. Because occasionally I see
It's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure my camera is getting this, but you know, the sun is also in my eyeball.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm aimed in the right spot. I'm so